Greetings to all the learners. Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School Jaipur. I am Siddharth Bula, Faculty of Mathematics, and today I'll be explaining about the vector and its types in this podcast. So, what is a vector? Let's understand that a vector is a quantity that has magnitude as well as the direction. For example, if we say an object B is situated somewhere in the space or in the Cartesian plane, which is at the distance of 3 meters from the origin and 20 degrees east of north. This is the position of object B. If we want to make it a displacement vector, then the displacement will be a vector quantity where the length of the arrow will be the magnitude and the arrowhead will be the direction. The position of the object B will be written as vector AB or vector A, where the initial point will be A and the terminal point will be B. The magnitude of the vector AB can be written as mod of AB or mod of A. Now these are some examples of vector having different direction, different magnitude. As you can see, the AB has a different direction as of vector XY, and JK has a different direction of EF.
Notice that
The vector which has the direction same, the vectors will be called parallel vectors. Now let's understand what is meant by co-initial vectors. So two or more vectors having the same initial point are the co-initial vectors. That means they start from a same point. Their initial point is always same. So as from the figure you can see the vector OM, vector ON and vector OL starts from the same point O. So these three vectors will be called co-initial vectors. Now let's understand collinear vectors. So two or more vectors parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitudes and direction. As you can see, the vector AB is parallel to vector CD with the direction is same, but the vector FE has opposite direction. So the vectors which are in the same line will be called collinear vectors. Now let's understand equal vectors. So if two vectors have the same magnitude and the same direction regardless of the position of their initial points, the vectors will be called equal vectors. Here you can see the vector AB and the vector CD are in the same direction as well as their magnitude is also same. So the vector AB will be equal to the vector CD. Now let's understand the negative of a vector. As we know that a vector is always defined by two things. One is magnitude and another is direction. If two vectors have same magnitude but opposite directions, the vectors will be called negative vectors. As you can see, the vector CD has a direction upward. If we reverse the direction in opposite side, the magnitude is still same but the direction is opposite. In that case, the second CD is the negative of the vector CD. Now let's understand the null vector. The null vector is also known as zero vector and it has a magnitude 0. It is the only vector which has no defined direction. Now let's discuss the unit vector. The unit vector is a vector which has magnitude always 1. And to find a unit vector in the same direction of a vector V, we divide the vector by its magnitude. So if we want to find the unit vector U, it will be equal to vector V upon magnitude of vector V, where the magnitude of a vector V can be given as square root of A square plus B square. So this is all about the types of vectors in this podcast. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting us. Thank you.